Apologies for the flight audio in this one. I am using a kind of a lower grade stick camera. I did not use my typical camera for flight audio, so the audio quality isn't quite as you would expect, at least on this channel. And I did try to clean it up a little bit because it had a real annoying low-level hum. It's a Firefly stick cam, you know, one of those real cheap GoPro-esque sort of cameras. And so I tried to do what I could within Adobe Premiere in order to clean up the audio. So the audio might be a little bit off because I didn't want to annoy too many people. Unfortunately, this was one of my later flights with the Boxer Crush, and this is for those people that wanted to see the Boxer Crush in action. I presume that that is probably kind of a prevailing thought that maybe I didn't use it. But of course I used it. I always use this stuff. I guess there might be a video or two out there of me just showing you a new flight controller that I hadn't gotten around to. Maybe it came with a drone or something like that, so we took a quick look at it. But for the most part, outside of just individual components I haven't used the build yet, everything you see on the channel, yeah, I use it. This flight does end in a crash, so that's kind of fun. I was going to use this in the Boxer review, but I didn't really think it added anything. And with the annoying audio, I really thought it would maybe be a distraction. But here we go. So, you know, a few people wanted to see it in use, and I haven't done a stick cam in maybe a year. So I thought I would put this all together, and I am flying the FlyLens85. It's one of my favorites when it comes to DJI and whoop-based 2-inchers. And it makes for easy putting together a stick cam because the image is big, so I don't have to do anything with backgrounds or cropping. And, you know, it's just a simpler edit process. That was one of the, outside of being a fun quad, that was one of the big reasons why I wanted to use something DJI-based. Plus, a 2S battery, they charge, in my opinion, faster. Maybe that's factual, too, because they're just smaller size batteries. But this flight is going to be ending here pretty soon. Again, it ends in a crash, and this video is really about anybody who wanted to see the Boxer Crush in action. So enjoy the remaining few seconds. I appreciate your time, and thanks for watching.